Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Sorry that I'm sounding and looking a little crazy. I've been really sick and trying to get over it. I'm still pretty sick. I've been blowing my nose and coughing all day. I'm going to try really hard to get through this video without coughing like crazy. I'm sure I'll have to edit out a lot of coughing. But today we are going to be testing out the Dermacol foundation, which if you haven't heard of it, apparently it is the world's most extreme, highest coverage foundation. I believe it was bought out through Hollywood, and they use it on movie sets, and they use it to cover up tattoos and scars and discoloration and everything you can think of. So I figured I have such a really hard time covering up my under eye circles, and I just happened to get a breakout. For those who don't know, I do have psoriasis on my skin, and it's something that I have had, I believe since the 5th grade is when it really got really bad, and it's something that's probably not going to go away, so I'm just going to have to figure out how to cover it up. Sometimes I get really bad breakouts on my skin, usually with drastic change in weather, which the weather here has been really hot and cold and hot and cold. So right now I have a breakout of it right under my eye, conveniently, and then I'm starting to get some right here on my cheek. So what better time to test out a extreme full coverage foundation than a time that I have a breakout on my face. Alright, well, this is the packaging. It's in like this little metal tube. It almost reminds me of the tubes that like my hair dye comes out of. A lot of other YouTubers said that it was really hard to get a hold of, but I found it like immediately on the website. I didn't have any problems with it. So on the website, I have it pulled up. It says, for all skin types, coverage is full, extreme, hypoallergenic, SPF 30, waterproof, and preservative free. It says Dermacol makeup cover provides outstanding coverage with a natural looking finish for your entire face and body. Your skin will be well balanced and have a velvety matte appearance. It looks like it's gotten mostly 5 stars, so let's just get into this because I'm really excited to try it. So all I have right now on my face, I'm moisturized. I use the Lush Cosmetic Lab Moisturizer. I use this every morning. I did my brows and I have a little bit of mascara on, but other than that, I am completely barefaced. I'm going to give this a fair chance and prime my face first. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. Figured I should probably have a mirror while I'm doing this. I guess I can zoom you guys in a little bit if you really want to see. Okay, oh god. Hey, what's up? So the way this is, it has a little, it's like sealed, and then it has a little like sharp point so I can open it. There we go. Okay. Apparently with this stuff, a little goes a long way. So I'm just going to put, oh, this stuff is thick. Let me show you. It's like not moving. It's super thick. Okay. Here goes nothing. I'm just gonna take a little with my finger. Holy crap. I'm not even sure if this is the right color. Oh, I guess I should tell you guys the shade real quick. I got shade 208, which I watched a review and somebody was super fair skinned like I am, and they got the same shade. The first shade on the website seems to be a little too like warm tone. It makes it a little bit darker, so I went for the second shade, which is pretty cool tone, which is what my undertones are. So, I look so crazy, I'm sorry. I think I'm going to do half of my face first, just so you guys can kind of get a feel for how like crazy coverage it is. I'm going to do, I guess I'll do the side with my breakout, see, maybe. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. This is kind of crazy. You guys, it covered everything. And I didn't even use like half of what was on my hand. I'm shook. Wow, okay. I don't have words. This is like wild to me. You guys, are you seeing this? And when people tell me that I have like perfect flawless skin, nobody has perfect flawless skin. Well, some people probably do, but I definitely don't. I'm a human being. I have under eye circles, I have discoloration, I get pimples. It happens, and this just shows like, wow, this is crazy. This is literally like such a light coat, and so I was thinking that it was going to be super heavy on my skin, but honestly, it doesn't feel like anything. Like, it feels lighter than my normal, like, this is weird. I'm pretty happy. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face. I'm probably just gonna use my concealer like normal and set it like I normally would, just give it a fair chance. I'm probably gonna go out for a few hours. It is my best friend's birthday, so even though I'm sick, I'm gonna suck it up and go out and hang out with him. Love you, Trey. So yeah, I'm going to give it a test out. I'll probably come back in a few hours and show you guys how it's looking, show you if it's still on, if it's creased, if it's caked, or, you know, whatever. So yeah, I'm just going to do the rest of my makeup and see you guys in a little bit. Hello again! So I'm back now after about 6 or 7 hours. I'm sorry if I'm looking a little crazy, but I had sushi, I had a few drinks, virgin pina coladas only, okay? Like I said, I've been really sick, so I've literally had 2 like full-on coughing attacks, sort of tears running down my face. So today I guess was a really good or bad day to test out this makeup because it has been through it. I had tears running down my face, went to multiple places, went grocery shopping, went to lunch. I know my lash hasn't really made it through because like I said, I had some tears flowing. My lipstick is like almost all the way gone. But we're testing the foundation, not anything else. So I will say when I was applying my concealer and my cream contour, it blended really, really nicely with the foundation. It didn't actually move anything around. It just blended like very smoothly, as you can see. Let me get a mirror so I can actually like see what I'm talking about. I'm really impressed. Other than obviously like around my nose where I've been blowing my nose every like 5 minutes, it looks really good. And normally, like after a few hours, I start to crease really bad in my smile lines and around my eyes, but I don't see much of anything. Like there's a little bit of creasing maybe here, but that's like every day for me. It's really impressive, you guys. Like I haven't touched up anything, I haven't done anything, I haven't touched up even my lipstick, obviously, but I would say 10 out of 10 for me, so I'll probably wear this almost every day. But thank you guys for watching, I hope you enjoyed it. I definitely plan on filming a lot more soon, now that I can actually like kind of talk. Hopefully this cough goes away because I'm tired of dealing with it. I hope that everyone watching is happy and healthy, having a wonderful day. Bye you guys, thanks for watching.